That's the Mohu Leaf Ultimate up there on my east wall of my living room. Cord you can see coming down, and there's my TV. Faces an east window and works really, really well. Way you pull it in after you've got it all set up. First I'll show you the setup. Here's the cord coming out underneath, but I will neaten all this up in a bit of time. Essentially you have all your messed up cords like everyone does. This goes line in just where your cable would go, and then there is, forgive my camera work, I'm doing the best I can here, an amplified tuner. The light will be on. It gets a little warm but doesn't get hot. This line is connected with a USB, and it's down connected to a power strip. You can also connect it to a USB port on your TV to power it, and when your power on your TV goes down, it goes down, which is kind of ideal. I probably will switch to that. But what you want to do is go on, I'll show you if you can see this, the menu, and that pops up a menu on your TV. It's going to be on your TV remote, not on your cable remote, because remember you're using just your TV with this one. I'm going to go down to channel and antenna, and I want to make sure the antenna is on air. It is. Not cable and air, not cable. You want it on air. Go down to auto program, get into there and start it. And what it's going to do is search for channels in your area over air, just using the Mohu Leaf. Now when it's doing that, it could take 5 minutes to find it depending on where you live. I live in a fairly rural area, lots of mountains. The farthest tower for the high definition channels that I wanted is the CBS channel, and that's 43.5 miles away. So the fact that I was able to get it with the Mohu Leaf is a major thing. I have used the Mohu Leaf itself. I've used Mohu Leaf Plus. Neither one could get that channel. So the amplified version, which the Plus was amplified but apparently not enough, the Ultimate kicks it into high gear and got me the channels. I now have high definition after this finishes with the auto program. I'll show you. I have 14 channels. I have essentially 9 that I will keep. The public television, high definition, ABC, NBC, and CBS all coming in crystal clear. That was my goal, because what I'm going to do is use my Roku to pull in Netflix and Hulu Plus programming to kind of compensate. I will miss not having FX and Showtime and a few of those, but I've decided I can get those programs through iTunes anyway, so it's not going to be that big a deal. And I will ultimately save about $100 a month. Okay, this gave me 14 channels. Click OK. And if you want to check what your signal strength is, I've got all the bars for PBS, which is high definition, digital, great. I'm going to go up to my channel list, see what we've pulled, and there we go. I have Southern Oregon Public Television in high definition. I will have the others in high definition as well. CBS, NBC. I'm going to go ahead and hit one and see where we are. This is Ellen. It's in 1080i. I can't get 1080p on my television, but that doesn't mean it's not broadcast in that. This is an older high def TV, and that's just the way it works for me. Really pleased with it. I would highly recommend this Mohu over the Leaf Plus and the just regular Leaf if you live in an area that you just don't get very many clear channels anyway. I used the Philips amplified rabbit ears, could never pull these channels in. At best I'd get them and they'd be pixelated, but this may be the solution I was looking for. I'm going to try it out for a week, and if my family can survive it, we're going to end up dumping cable, which is something I really wanted to do for a long time, keeping Wi-Fi to get that other programming. So Mohu Leaf Ultimate, just make sure the placement's right and you're going to get great reception. Thanks.